Dear students, welcome to ISC. Today SSC Constable grant test number 60. English explanation is here. Listen carefully. Check here the first question. 76 to 80. What is the direction? In the given passage, some of the words have been left. First read the passage over and try to understand what it is about. Then fill in the blanks with the help of the alternatives given. So here we are getting what's a cloze test. Okay, so this is the thing. Our company has set up a foundation. Set up meaning I think everybody knows establishing something. Okay, so set up a foundation which is dedicated to dash literacy. Okay, after that, to further this dash, the foundation has a project called a library for every school. So check in the second line, sir. Foundation has a project called a library for every school, meaning they are simply trying to spread education throughout the people. Okay, so that is the thing. So our company has set up a foundation which is dedicated to, check the options here, spreading, responsible, trying, catered. Now first of all check here, sir. Our company has set up a foundation which is dedicated to dash. Now remember that phrase called dedicated to. Okay, I think in verb class it is done. So after this whole phrase dedicated to, what do you say? Gerund formation or verb plus ing formation. And here we are getting verb plus ing formation where, sir? Either one in spreading, another one is trying. Now trying cannot be the answer. Why trying cannot be the answer? Because to further these dash the foundation, meaning they have already started and more thing they are going to do, what's a library for every school. So they have already started something. That's why trying should not be the word. So obviously spreading should be the word. Okay, so option number A is the answer. Okay, so spreading meaning here I am taking disperse widely or distributing. Now education or literacy is something that you can't distribute. Disperse widely would be better. So 76 option number A, spreading, is our answer. Okay, so our company has set up a foundation which is dedicated to spreading literacy. Okay, that is the thing. Now for 76 option number A is our answer. Option number A is our answer. Let us go to the next one. Now check here, sir. Let us remember once that for 76 what we got. So for 76 we got, sir, spreading. Okay, just don't be fool because 2 is there. Immediately you people say that, sir, 2 plus V1. No, dedicated to is whole the thing. Fine. After that come to 77. To further this dash, the foundation has a project called a library for every school. Through dash, the foundation donates books mainly to government schools libraries so that children have easy dash to books on a variety of subjects. Now they are spreading literacy and they have already started spreading literacy. To further, meaning here further meaning additionally they are doing so many other things also. Okay, to spread literacy. Okay, so that is the thing, sir. 77, awaken, cause, contribute and aim. So awaken meaning, sir, cause to become awake. Cause to become awake. Okay, just simply you people are like opening up your eyelids from sleep. That is the thing. Okay, now contribute is there, sir. Contribute meaning is adding or bestow. Okay, and cause. Now cause will be our answer, sir. Why? Because check here. To further this dash, the foundation. To further this cause, we are using a noble cause, this cause, that cause, meaning what is a noble cause here, sir? Literacy, spreading literacy. So to further meaning to additionally add so many other things to spread literacy, their foundation has a project also called a library for every school. Fine, let us see 78 right now. So for 77 our answer should be, sir, cause. That is the answer. Okay, next one. Come to 78 right now. So here we got to further this cause. So what is the cause? Literacy, spreading literacy, and that is the noble cause of that particular company. So to further this cause, the foundation has a project called a library for every school. Through dash, the foundation donates books mainly to government schools. So for 78 we are getting these options, sir. Those, which, whom and where. Now we have to use only which here, schools through which the foundation donates books. So that is the thing. Okay, So through which, see here we are getting, sir, through which. Why which I have used? Check here. To further this cause, the foundation has a project, that is the subject here, sir. So has a project called a library for every school, through which, so through which, sir, that is the project, and the library for every school, that is the project. Through that or through which the foundation donates books mainly to government school libraries. Fine. So in that case, sir, 78, option number B, which is our answer. Fine. Next one. Come to 79 right now. So let us remember, our company has set up a foundation which is dedicated to spreading literacy. To further this noble cause, or only cause I am writing down because cause was there, the foundation has a project called a library for every school, through which the foundation, through which meaning with the help of the project named a library for every school, the foundation donates books mainly to government school libraries so that children have easy dash to books on a variety of subjects. So let us find out. So when you are donating something, so easily they will get those books in hand, that will be always your aim. So let us find out that kind of word. So opportunity, opportunity meaning chance, admission meaning everybody knows the right to enter, the right to enter. Answer, ION is there, it's a noun. Okay. Purchase meaning everybody knows. Access is also a verb and a noun, both. But here we will take the particular thing as a noun only. Why? Easy is there, sir. Easy is what? Adjective. So after one adjective, what to use, sir? Obviously a noun, not a verb. So access word we will take as noun here, not as a verb here. Okay, so access to something meaning they can easily get those things because you are giving those books or donating those books. So in that case, access. So that is a thing. So easy access to books. Okay, they have the right to use those books. That is a thing on a variety of subjects. So for 79, what we got, sir? Option number D, access as our answer. Now come to the next one. And the last one, obviously. Now check here. In my dash as a chairperson of the foundation, I travel extensively in rural areas. So in my dash, in my feeling is not possible anyhow. Decision is not possible anyhow, meaning conclusion. Okay, conclusion meaning the end. You have taken the decision, nothing more is there. So that is the end, conclusion. Role and knowledge. Okay, role meaning function. And in my role as a chairperson, meaning this person, my is I, okay. So that person is actually the chairperson of that particular company. So his role or his function in the company is as a chairperson, okay, of that foundation, and he is traveling extensively in rural areas to giving books or donating books. Fine, that is the thing. So role, option number C is the answer, 80 C. Okay, that is the answer. Fine. So that's all for the close test. Next question. Come to 81 to 84. Let us read. Pick out the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blanks to make the sentence meaningfully complete. Let us know the words, then we will read it. So reprimanded meaning, sir, rebuked, scolding someone, censoring someone severely. Okay. So remember, censoring someone. Fine. Accommodated. Accommodated meaning adopted, adjusted, admitted. Okay. Next one, sir. Delegate, transferring power to someone. Transferring power to someone. And reciprocated meaning give mutually in return. Meaning someone has given me something, mutually I am also giving something to that person. So that is the thing called reciprocated. Fine. So let us read. His employer had all along been kind to him. Employer, employee. Everybody knows that relationship. Employers are hiring employees. So this employer of him was really kind always to that person, employee. So employee is also mutually giving what he is giving? Loyalty. Fine, everyone. So being kind to him, so he reciprocated by. So he reciprocated by being loyal to him. So employer is kind to you, you are being loyal to your employer. So that is the thing called mutual understanding or mutual relationship between one employer and employee here at least. So for 81, option number D is the answer. Okay, next one. Come to question number 82. Let us know all the meanings first. Example meaning everybody knows. Quotation meaning a short note filled with info or information. Okay, I am writing down info here. Remember, information. Style meaning everybody knows. Precedent meaning, two meanings are there. Case in point or a subject that is mentioned already earlier. So a subject that mentioned earlier. So the lawyer had to find innovative arguments for his case. There was just no dash that he could follow or quote. Now sir, one case is there, okay, in the court. Fine. So the judge is going to give the judgment or verdict. So before that, lawyers will argue, okay, they will try to make win for themselves also and for their client also. Now, as this is a very new case, a very new, any type of case that can be, okay, that the particular lawyer cannot follow anything that has been happened before. Okay, that's why precedent, no precedent, meaning such case has not been filed before. That's why this lawyer had to find innovative ideas, meaning new ideas or new arguments for his case, because this case actually so new to him. Fine. Before that, such case has not been done in the court or was not in judgment in the court. So in that case, 82, option number D, precedent is our answer. Fine. Next one, sir. Come to question number 83, options. Laziness, see, two meanings are there. One meaning is relaxed, another meaning is indolence or inactiveness. Okay, facility meaning ready, everything is ready. Installation, everything is ready. Or adeptness, everything is, when everything is ready, then that is a thing called. Lopsidedness meaning imbalance or inclined towards something. Now if you will be inclined towards someone or something, then obviously balance will not be created. You have to be neutral, that is a thing. And extravagance meaning excessive spending, Now his criticism was not that the economy was not growing at all. So he is criticizing something, what is economy, but his criticism is not based on that. He never told that the economy was not growing at all. He is not telling that, but of the dash of urban growth at the expense of rural areas. Meaning here lopsidedness will be our answer, but of the lopsidedness of urban growth at the expense of rural areas. So I am making one parameter here, okay, parameter, okay, here rural areas and here urban areas. So the parameter is always inclined to the urban areas, sir, not inclined to the rural areas, neither it is neutral, meaning all kinds of growth, that can be economic, that can be humanitarian, each and every kind of growth is totally happening in urban areas. That's why lopsidedness has been used, sir. Lopsided means imbalance. Economic growth is there, but obviously imbalanced growth is there. In rural areas no growth, but in urban areas tremendous growth. That is why lopsidedness should be the word. 83, option number C is the answer. Okay, next one. Come to question number 84, everyone, and the same way we will check the options first. So mutiny meaning is what, sir? Open rebellion. Okay, next one, sir. Unanimity meaning full agreement between people, full agreement between a group of people. Okay, next one, sir. Mutilation meaning disfiguration or defacement. Next one, sir. There is the word momentum. momentum meaning impulse at that particular timing. Okay, so that is all the things. Now come to 84, sir. The party leader did expect some criticism of his decision, but was taken aback by the near dash of the members. Okay, obviously unanimity. So unanimity, near unanimity of the members. So what is the whole thing? The party leader did expect some criticism of his decision. So the party leader has taken a decision and he was expecting that some people will criticize him, but was taken aback by the near unanimity of the members, meaning a single member has not told anything, has not criticized whatever he told. Each and everyone was in full agreement with the party leader. That is the thing. So 84, option number B, unanimity is our answer. Okay, so that is the thing. Next one, sir. Come to 85 to 86. Select a word out of the following words which is opposite in meaning or antonym, sir. So demon is the word, meaning wicked. I think demon meaning everybody knows, but still just to make you people understand, wicked, monster, cruel people. Okay, so in this case, sir, check the word angel. Angel, kind-hearted, holy man, saint will be our answer. Why? Because let's see, charitable is there, kind-hearted is there, fair-minded is there. All these particular things will be there in one angel, angelic person. So in that case, 85C is the answer. Okay, so all these adjectives will be there in the angel. Okay, that's why I have taken angel as my answer. 85C, next one, sir. Come to 86. Delete is the word. Obviously, sir, insert will be our opposite word. Okay, that is the thing. Now, impound is there. Impound meaning attach. Inspire meaning instigate or boosting someone, prompting someone, encouraging someone positively, obviously. Okay, injure meaning wound or wounded. That is the thing. So for 86, option number B, insert is our answer. Next one. Come to direction 87 to 89, everyone. Select a word out of the following words which is equal in meaning to the following words in question. So vindictive is the word, meaning revengeful. Those people who are actually not forgiving anyone, but always taking revenge. Okay, so obviously, sir, revengeful is the answer. Apologetic. So in option number A, apologetic word is there, meaning offering apology. Next one, sir, uncompromising, meaning sturdy, obstinate, not listening to anyone. Okay, never will compromise or will adjust with anyone. Fearful, meaning here everybody knows, nothing to say about that. Afraid. So 87, option number C is the answer. Next one. Come to 88, sir. Recuperate is the word. Recuperate meaning recover or restore. Recover or restore. So here, sir, recover word is already there. So that is our answer. Okay, other options are there. Resolve meaning settle down. Everything is settled, resolved, decided. Okay, end. So that is the thing, sir. Decided or settled. Next one, avenge, sir. Avenge meaning revenge. Taking revenge for someone else. And cooperate meaning collaborating, working together. So that is a thing, collaborate. Okay, so that is the whole thing here. So recuperate, option number D, recover is our answer. Next one. Come to 89. Beguile is the word, sir. Beguile meaning deceiving. Okay, so that is the thing, sir. Deceiving meaning, I think everybody knows, those people who are doing any kind of fake things with you and thus deceiving you. Okay, so that is the thing. Now refuse and deny, same meaning and descend. So 89, option number D, deceive is our answer. Next one. 90 to 94. Now let us read the direction. In each of the following questions, some part of the sentence is in bold. Out of the given three alternatives, choose alternatives. Choose the alternative that improves the bold part. Otherwise, choose option D as your answer. So let us see. 90. Increasing investing in technology will certainly help to reduce cost in the long run. Check here, sir. Increasing investing in technology will certainly help to reduce cost in the long run. So some kind of investing purpose, anything, money, labor, whatever it is, that has already been started. As it is already been started, that's why you can use the word certainly. Nonetheless, you will not use the word certainly, will help. Certainly is used only then when that thing is already started. So increased should be the word, sir. So increased investment in technology. Fine. So investment is already increased, and that particular increased investment will certainly help to reduce. Investing is also wrong, because ing no need na, investment is itself is noun. Before that just use increased deformation adjective. Okay, option number A is the answer, increased investment in. So that is the answer for question number 90, option number A. Next one, come to question number 91. The prices of pulses have risen. So check here, the prices of pulses have risen. This much there is no problem, have is there, why prices is there. Clear? Now because production were low, compare demand. Now compared word is there, but sir than word is not there, so obviously it is wrong. First of all, next one, production is there, it is singular here, productions is not there, where is also wrong. Okay, and obviously check here, have risen is there, so the sentence is in present tense, so we have to put some kind of present here only. So is lower comparable, is lower than, so better to go for this, is lower than. Okay, so the price of pulses have risen because production is lower than the demand. Fine, that is the thing. So 91, option number C is our answer. Next one, come to 92. During the recession, many companies will be forced to lay off workers. First of all, sir, lay off meaning we should know, discontinue with someone. Okay, like throwing out people from the company, as we know it happened. So during the recession, many companies will be forced to lay off workers. So in this case, sir, will be forced to lay, meaning in this time they will be forced by the particular thing called recession. Okay, so there is no problem, no improvement required, absolutely fine. Okay, so B is there, after that V3 is there, the sentence is in passive voice, and that is the thing, will be forced. Okay, will be forced by what, sir? By this particular thing called recession. Fine, so in that case sentence is absolutely fine. 92, D is the answer. Next one, come to 93. Since the deadline has been changed from next week to this Thursday, you should give this work priority. So priority, first importance. Okay, so one work was there and deadline was there, what, sir? Next week, but something happened immediately in this Thursday only, this week Thursday only, I have to submit the papers. So since the deadline has been changed from next week to this Thursday, you should give this work priority. So each and everything check, each and everything is in present tense. As each and everything is present tense, this is absolutely fine because this is used in present, that is used in past. So here present tense is there, I can't use that, so this is absolutely fine. And you is there, should is there, after should what to use, sir? V1. So V1 is written, so you should give this work priority, no problem, no improvement required. Okay, that is the thing. So for 93, option number D is the answer. Next one, come to question number 94, everyone. After the success of our project, we have been receiving more requests than we do not have the resources to handle them. Now, sir, requests is there, like S is there, plural, it became plural. 1 request, 2 requests, 3 requests, 4 requests, 5 requests, like that you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that case, sir, more cannot be used because more is used for uncountable and you have to use many then. Okay, so many requests. So here we are getting that in option number A. First of all, till here we have done. Now here but is there, here than is there. Now let us read once again. After the success of our project, we have been receiving many requests, no problem, but we do not have the resources to handle them. So we have done something, one project we have completed, and after successfully completing the project, we are getting so many requests from other companies to do same kind of project. Fine, but we do not have. So one comparison is there, yes or no, that so many requests are coming, so we need to handle them properly, but we don't have the resources to handle them properly. Fine, that is the thing. But only, not than, because than is used for comparative degree, sir. We can't use that. So here option number A is the answer. Okay, so for 94, option number A. Next one. Come to 95 to 96. In each question below, 4 words which are numbered A, B, C and D have been printed, one of which may be wrongly spelled. Let us find it out. Genuineness, sir. Okay, genuineness, meaning honest, authentic, authenticity. Option number A is the answer, because that is the wrongly spelled word. Let us cut it down, because that is wrong. Buffalo meaning everybody knows. Okay, I think at least. Okay, bison, American bison. Next one, incremental, meaning additive, increasing gradually, step by step increasing, then you can use the word incremental. Okay, and determination, meaning, sir, one kind of finding or purpose or aim, when it is there, then that is the thing called determination. Fine. So 95, option number A. Next one, sir. Come to 96. Abnormal, not normal, away from normal. Just remember, sir, whenever the root word ab will be there, it will be give you the sense of away from that particular thing. Okay, so that is the thing, sir. Okay, another word is also there, sir, abstain. Okay, so stain, when we are getting stain on our fingers, when we are going to give, to cast our vote. Okay, so abstain, ab meaning away from voting, meaning refrain from voting. Some people are there, they are not allowing you to cast your vote. That is the thing, sir. Ab meaning away from. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so abnormal spelling is absolutely fine. Come to insignificant. Insignificant meaning minor, not that much of importance it has. Okay, next one, immovable meaning immobile. Mobile meaning is what, sir? Movable. Im is the root which is giving you the sense of opposite. So immobile. Okay, not able to move. Not able to move. That is the meaning of this one. And coincidence, sir, this spelling is totally wrong. I think everybody knows the spelling already. Coincidence. Fine. This is the thing. Co-occurrence. In one time, two things are happening. Okay, that is the thing. So option number D is the answer, because that is the wrongly spelled word here. Next one, sir. Come to direction 97 to 100. Each of the following idioms is followed by some alternative. Choose the one which best expresses its meaning. So in a debate, no one is allowed to sit on the fence. Okay, to avoid taking sides. To avoid taking sides. Okay, so what is the thing, sir? Being neutral. Okay. Option number A is the answer. 97, option number A. When sit on the fence, fence is something like this, sir. Okay, so if you will pointed on this and you will sit down on this, then neither you can go here, neither you can go there. Okay, so that is the thing, to avoid taking sides. 97A. Next one, sir. 98. Who are we to sit in judgment over their choices? To make a judgment. So sit in judgment meaning to make a judgment. Okay, so that is the thing. 98, option number A is the answer. Next one. Come to question number 99. He was pulled up by the director of the company. See, pulled up meaning, sir, draw up or remove. So when one person is removed, simply when he did something bad, and so that the director of the company censored or rebuked him and then throwing out. So reprimanded is the answer, sir. Okay, censored severely and throwing out from the company. That is the thing. Assaulted. Assaulted meaning, sir, simply attacking or attacked, both verbally and physically. Assaulted or assaulting. Okay, both verbally and physically. Now I can't take this one. Why? Because pulled up meaning removing, sir. Okay, assaulting meaning attacking someone. The director of the company can attack also that person verbally. Fine. But here, sir, the meaning of the word remove is directly coming with the word reprimanded, censoring, throw out. Okay, what is the work of the censor board? Cutting the clippings. So that is the thing, sir. Okay, next one. Dragged is there, sir. Draw slowly. Draw slowly. Dragging, walking draggingly, so slowly walking, or that kind of thing. And cleared meaning everybody knows, clean handed. Okay, that is the thing. And 99, option number C is the answer, reprimanded. Last question. Come to this one. Number 100. The storm brought about great destruction in the valley. So brought about meaning sir resulted. Okay, resulted. And resulted and caused, same thing. Option number B is the answer. Okay, that is the thing. Now invited meaning everybody knows. Succeeded meaning sir attained success. Okay, and halted meaning sir stopped. Another meaning is also there, that is arresting the attention. Okay, like stopping. So 100 number, option number B, caused is the answer. Why? Because resulted is directly the meaning is caused. So that's all for this set.